Okay, Cynthia, so I'm in your presentation in Google Slides, and so wherever you're going to put your video, let's say it's down here for goals. I don't really know where it's going, but for example, what you want to do is you're going to go to insert video. All right, and when that pops up, it'll ask you for your YouTube URL. So you can go to YouTube, and up here in the top, once you find a video, I'm going to click on this one.
In this video, we are going to be covering healthcare.
And then I'll just take that YouTube URL. I can right click and go copy on the mouse. And then I can go back to my video. I can click there. I can right click, then paste, and then I'll hit search. And I can click on that video and then hit select. When I hit select, it will place that video in your PowerPoint, and you can actually drag and make it larger or wherever you want it to go. And then your video is in that slide, however you want it. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this video just by clicking on it and hitting backspace or hitting delete. But basically, that's how you could take your videos and put them into Google Slides. And when they go to present, then it will they'll show up and they'll be able to play them as they work through it. So I hope this helped. If you got other questions, just let me know. I'm going to share this to you to your email, and it'll come through as Google Slides versus your PowerPoint. Sometimes when you import it to Google Slides, some things might get switched around. So I would say just go through here and look and see that things look like you want them. You might see things that show up like this. Click to add subtitle. But actually, when you go into present mode, those things shouldn't show up when you go through to present. So that should help you with that. Okay, just let me know if you have any other questions. You just go to the slides you want your video on, and then go to insert video and paste your link in there. Thanks.